Ladies and gentlemen, what a time to be alive and what a time indeed. Today, I wanted to present probably the loudest Audi S3 in the entirety of Cape Town. Join me for this review.
This video was done in collaboration with Contrast Photos. As you can tell from the beginning of the video, this car is not standard and does have some performance parts added onto it. I'm going to do my best to kind of get through them as soon as possible so that you guys can actually hear what she sounds like. Powering the Audi S3 is going to be a 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine which makes 230 kilowatts and 400 newton meters of torque. However, those are stock standard numbers. This car has been under the knife and does have some performance modifications done to it. I hope you guys didn't think I would forget about my favorite modification, which is going to be the custom full exhaust system from ATM Chiptuning in collaboration with EvoPerformance for And if you guys are enjoying the video so far, please do hit that subscribe and the like button as we begin our road to 1000 subscribers. This car was fully spec'd out when optioned, so it does have the Bang & Olufsen sound system. It does also have the upgraded Audi Matrix LED lights. Moving to the rear seats, now this car is the sedan, so it is slightly bigger than the hatchback. Knee room is great, headspace is great as well. We move on to probably the most important part of having a Vurpa, which is the sunroof. And the VW group does sunroofs like no other group does. They are just the best in the game. Moving on to the only option that this Audi does not have, which is the digital driver's display. Not really a deal breaker for me because I prefer the analog tachometers anyways. You do of course get your multifunction steering wheel, which controls your infotainment as well as the center screen, your digital dash, as well as your cruise control. I also love that there's a button to turn your infotainment system on or off inside the car. If it's off, it does hide away nice and neatly, and when it's back on, you do have access to all your Bluetooth media as well as all the different driving dynamics of the car. And of course, the remote that controls the valves, that controls either whether they're on or off, or how loud or how soft you want the exhaust to be.
out of this traffic.
Yeah. That you see then directly. Sport. Oh, heck. Okay, you then just direct me which way.
Don't change gears, just let it bang. Feedback is insane. Now when you pull off,
it's so good.
you get that proper jerk. You got to stick the gear shift, then let off the gas. You can't
Let go of the gas whilst
that
changing.
timing is also like very important. Like that's just you drive more.
This
you
is
get
insane. Oh, so there's little tricks in.
Gear change. Go. You're going right here, up the hill. There's one more in the tank. No, we're talking. Second. Give it a little touch down. Oh yes, come on, rattle that M4.
Right next to his ears as well. No, I literally rattled that right next to his ear.
Yeah, straight in. Sweet. That's all she wrote.
Thank you for this.
No problem, man. Glad you enjoyed it.
Wow.
And with that, the 100 subscriber special comes to an end. I just wanted to say a massive thank you to the owner of the S3 for making this possible. And not only that, I wanted to say thank you to you, the subscribers, the first 100 subscribers. We're on the road to 1,000 now, so let's see if we can make that happen by my birthday, which is the end of March. Thank you so very much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.